Are you looking for the best pocket hole jigs in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best pocket hole jigs that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the KREG JIG Pocket Hole Jig. KREG is a tool brand with a pedigree stretching back to 1955. They're favored by professional tradespeople as well as savvy DIYers for their top build quality and innovative designs. I got hold of their JIG and now think it's one of the best pocket hole jig systems you can get. It lacks the wealth of accessories provided by the KREG Master System, but the jig itself is incredibly well made. It has a smooth clamping action and a useful fine adjustment mechanism. One of the things I really like about this pocket hole jig system is the metal base. The countersunk holes in the corners mean you can fix it securely to a workbench if you're staying in one place. Or you can take it with you and use it freestanding or clamp it into place. The accessories you get are quality bits of kit. The face clamp is all metal and the drill bit and 2 different length square drive bits feel like they'll last for ages. What makes this a great starter kit is that KREG include 100 dome head screws. That's more than enough to see you through your first few joinery projects. Up next in the 4th place is the KREG 320 Pocket Hole Jig. Another excellent pocket-sized pocket hole jig is the 320 set from KREG, a stripped-down version of the pocket hole system. It doesn't come with many accessories, but it's still a comprehensive little kit. The material thickness gauge that comes with the set is a handy little tool. It doubles up as an Allen key as well. You use this guide like a ruler to decide which thickness setting to choose. It's a neat system that takes the guesswork out of where to put the stop collar on the drill bit as well. What makes this one of the best pocket hole jig systems is the clever versatility that KREG have built in. You might think you're limited to only drilling pocket holes a certain width apart, but with a simple twist you can separate the drill guides and remove the middle spacer. Then you can drill pocket holes much closer together or singularly wherever you want one. My only gripe with the 320 set is the gray plastic stop tabs on the back of the jig. They're probably going to last a long time, but if anything were going to break, I'd bet it's one of them. Otherwise, this is an excellent little set. The 3rd product on our list is the Wolfcraft 4,642,000 Pocket Hole Jig Set. Germany's Wolfcraft are famous for their quality woodworking tools. Their undercover jig set is billed as the complete set for invisible fastenings. I'm inclined to agree with them. It's a handy kit supplied in its own carry case that keeps everything organized and out of trouble. Onto the jig itself. Wolfcraft have come up with quite a clever way to measure the thickness of your material. Simply spin the end cap round and use the handy ruler on the side of the jig. You can then set the depth stop on the special drill bit, all by feeding it through the drill guide and finding the right measurement there. Wolfcraft have included a few pocket screws to get you started and even a handful of wooden bungs to cover up the pocket holes you'll make. It's a start, but you'll need to stock up again soon. In terms of build quality, the jig feels solid but a bit plasticky, but it seems strong enough. I'm a bit disappointed that they haven't included any clamps, and the dust removal ports aren't great, but for the price you can't really complain. Second on our list is the KREG MKJKIT Mini Jig. Get hold of the best pocket hole jig system without emptying your wallet. The KREG Jig Mini is easily one of my star buys. If you want to try out using the pocket hole method, this little kit is an affordable way to get started. This pocket hole jig kit is comprised of a simple jig in KREG's recognizable tough blue plastic. You also get a proprietary HSS drill bit, drill collar, and Allen key. There's not a lot there, but still enough to create seriously solid joinery. Even though this is KREG's mini jig, it's brilliantly versatile. You can fit the little guide into tight spaces where other guides would struggle. And because it's fenceless, you can work on any thickness of material you like. For this price, you can't really expect to get much more than the jig and a drill bit. However, if you want to do any woodworking with it, you'll need to go out and get some decent F-clamps. Finally, the top product on our list is the KREG Jig K4. The KREG K4 jig is probably the best pocket hole jig on the UK market because it's the original joinery system. It's easy to use and the dust collection port actually works. US tool brand KREG started the pocket hole joinery revolution back in 1989 with their brand new system for attaching boards together without needing any real woodworking skills. The K4 jig allows you to make boxes, cabinets, and just about anything else quickly, easily, and accurately. The set itself is made from tough blue plastic, and KREG have thrown in a few of their own screws for you to use. It might look complicated at first glance, but the jig system is really easy to follow. It all but guarantees strong joinery between 2 pieces of wood. The included manual is excellent and will help guide you through your first few projects, but it won't take long to master it. Plus, if you use the same thicknesses of timber most of the time, you won't have to adjust any of the depth settings. I love it.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.